Hello everyone, welcome to Avyan Decor Design. In this video shown 15 plus types of bathroom tiles. Hope you enjoy watching it. So let's start. Ceramic tiles. Ceramic tiles, made from a mixture of water, clay and minerals, are a popular choice for bathroom walls and floors. They are known for their easy to maintain and moisture resistant properties. One of the key advantages of ceramic tiles is their easy maintenance. They are resistant to stains and dirt and can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth or mop. This makes them a convenient choice for busy households, where quick and easy cleaning is a priority. Ceramic tiles come in a wide variety of colors, patterns, and styles, offering endless design possibilities. Pros: highly versatile in design, easy to clean, very durable. Cons: can be slippery when wet, quite heavy. Next, glass tiles. Reflective glass tiles. In a diamond-shaped glass tiles can be stained in different tones and shapes to create authentic designs. They are made by superheating sand and other natural products to a molten state and then rapidly cooling them to form glass. This process results in tiles that are not only beautiful but also incredibly durable. They are perfect for bathroom walls due to their translucency and endless color varieties. Pros: dirt and stains are easy to clean with a simple wipe. Mold and mildew resistant, don't absorb water, making them perfect for the bathroom. Cons: installing glass tiles isn't a DIY job. Can be slippery when wet, may not be ideal as bathroom floor tiles. Next, cement tiles. Cement tiles on a wall and floor. Cement tiles are known for their durability and versatility. They are made from a mixture of cement, sand, and color pigment, which is then poured into a mold. They can be customized to create various patterns and designs, making them a unique choice for shower floors, shower walls, or even in a powder room. Despite their many benefits, it's important to note that cement tiles do require some maintenance to keep them looking their best. They need to be sealed upon installation and resealed every few years to protect them from stains and water damage. Pros: highly customizable, durable and long-lasting. Cons: can be quite heavy, require sealing to prevent staining. Next, marble tiles. Marble tile in a shower enclosure. Marble tiles are a symbol of luxury and elegance. They are made from natural marble, a type of metamorphic rock that is renowned for its beauty and sophistication. One of the key advantages of marble tiles is their timeless beauty. They come in a range of colors, from pure white to black, with a variety of waning patterns. Marble tiles are also highly durable. They are resistant to chips and scratches, making them a practical choice for high-traffic areas such as the bathroom floor. However, it's important to note that marble is a porous material, which means it can absorb water and other substances if not properly sealed. Pros: enhances a bathroom's decor style. Every piece of marble tile has unique vein-like patterns. Cons: highly porous, so it needs to be properly sealed during installation. Prone to scratching and cracking. Next, mosaic tiles. Mosaic tile used on a shower floor. Mosaic tiles are small tiles that can be made from any material, such as tile, stone, or glass. They are known for their beautiful patterns and are incredibly hard-wearing. They are typically small tiles, often less than 2 inches in size, that can be made from a variety of materials, including ceramic, porcelain, glass, stone, or even metal. These tiles are arranged in a way to create intricate patterns and designs, adding a unique and artistic touch to your space. One of the key advantages of mosaic tiles is their flexibility in design. Because they are small, they can be arranged in a multitude of ways to create a wide range of patterns and designs. Pros: highly versatile and flexible in designs, patterns, and colors. Easy to clean and hard-wearing against cleaning chemicals. Cons: since mosaic tiles are smaller in size, they are more susceptible to damage. can be slippery when wet. Next, granite tiles. Granite tiles are known for their incredible durability and low porous property. They are made from natural granite, a type of igneous rock that is renowned for its strength and durability. They are chip and scratch resistant, making them a reliable bathroom tile choice for many years. Granite tiles come in a wide range of colors and patterns, thanks to the natural variations in the rock. This means that each tile is unique, adding a touch of individuality and luxury to your bathroom. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of black or white granite or the more exotic appeal of blue or red granite, there's a granite tile to suit your personal style. Pros: highly durable natural stone material, resistant to scratches. Cons: rather heavy to use as flooring. Maintenance is very time consuming because granite is sensitive to chemicals. Next, limestone tiles. Limestone tiles are natural materials made of calcium carbonate salt. They are ideal for any bathroom decor, thanks to their vast variety of patterns and shades. One of the key advantages of limestone tiles is their natural beauty. They come in a wide range of patterns and shades, from soft whites and creams to rich browns and grays. Whether you are aiming for a rustic, traditional, or contemporary style, there's a limestone tile that will suit your decor. Pros: extremely durable. If properly sealed, limestone will last for a long time without showing signs of wear and tear. Cons: to preserve the quality of the bathroom tile, you'll have to maintain it every few years. Heavy and difficult to install. Next, quarry tiles. Quarry tiles are made from natural clay or shale. They are known for their durability and natural, earthy look. They are incredibly hard and resistant to wear and tear, making them a practical choice for high-traffic areas such as the bathroom floor. This means that even after many years of use, your quarry tiles will still look as good as new. Pros: highly durable and long-lasting, resistant to stains and water. Cons: can be quite heavy, require sealing to prevent staining. Next, metal tiles. Metal tiles are a contemporary and stylish choice for any bathroom. They are typically made from stainless steel or copper, but can also be made from other metals such as bronze or aluminum. These tiles offer a sleek, modern look that can add a touch of sophistication and luxury to your space. One of the key advantages of metal tiles is their durability. They are incredibly hard and resistant to wear and tear, making them a practical choice for high-traffic areas such as the bathroom floor or walls. Pros: durable and long-lasting, easy to clean and maintain. Cons: can be quite expensive, can be cold to the touch. Next, resin tiles. Resin tiles are a contemporary and versatile choice for any bathroom. They are made from a synthetic material known as resin, which can be molded and dyed to create a wide range of colors, patterns, and designs. This makes resin tiles a popular choice for those looking to add a touch of modern style to their bathroom. One of the key advantages of resin tiles is their lightweight nature. Unlike natural stone or ceramic tiles, which can be quite heavy, resin tiles are light and easy to handle. This makes them easier to install, reducing the time and cost of installation. This also means that they can be used on walls that may not be able to support the weight of heavier tile materials. Pros: lightweight and easy to install. Available in a wide range of colors and designs. Cons: not as durable as other options. Can be prone to scratches. Next, terracotta tiles. Terracotta tiles create a delightfully old-worldly ambience in the bathroom. This bathroom tile is made from natural clay that is shaped and then kiln-fired to create a hard, durable tile. The term terracotta means baked earth in Italian, reflecting the natural, earthy qualities of this material. One of the key characteristics of terracotta tiles is their warm, earthy color. This comes from the iron content in the clay, which reacts with oxygen during firing to create a range of red, orange, and brown hues. This warm color palette can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your bathroom, making it a relaxing and comfortable space. However, it's important to note that terracotta is a porous material, which means it can absorb water if not properly sealed. Therefore, terracotta tiles need to be sealed upon installation and resealed regularly to prevent water damage and staining, especially if used as floor tiles. Pros: naturally resistant to mold and bacteria growth. Highly durable. Cons: very porous and can absorb water quickly. High maintenance. Next, terrazzo tiles. Terrazzo tiles are a composite material that can include marble, quartz, granite, glass, or other suitable material, poured with a binder. This mixture is then cured, ground, and polished to create a smooth and durable tile. This is a classic bathroom tile design that has seen a resurgence in popularity in recent years, thanks to its unique aesthetic and versatile properties. Pros: highly durable and long-lasting. Available in a wide range of colors and designs. Cons: can be quite expensive. Require professional installation. Next, encaustic tiles. Encaustic tiles are a unique and artistic choice for any bathroom. They are a type of ceramic tile, but unlike traditional ceramic tiles where the pattern is created by the glaze, the pattern on encaustic tiles is created using different colors of clay. This technique results in a tile that is rich in color and pattern, adding a touch of character and charm to your space. One of the key advantages of encaustic tiles is their unique aesthetic. Because the pattern is made from clay itself, it has a depth and vibrancy that can't be achieved with glazed tiles. This means that the pattern won't fade over time, even with heavy foot traffic or frequent cleaning. Pros: unique and beautiful bathroom tile designs. Durable and long-lasting. Cons: can be quite expensive. Require professional installation. Next, pebble tiles. Pebble tiles are a unique and natural choice for any bathroom. They are made up of small, smooth pebbles that are attached to a mesh backing. These pebbles are typically collected from beaches or riverbeds, meaning each tile is unique and brings a touch of nature into your bathroom. One of the key advantages of pebble tiles is their tactile and textured surface. This not only adds a unique aesthetic appeal to your bathroom but also provides natural slip resistance, making them a safe choice for wet areas such as the shower floor or around the bathtub. Pros: unique bathroom tile aesthetic that mimics nature. Resistant to water damage. Popular as a bathroom floor tile or shower tile. Cons: require frequent sealing between the pebbles. Some people may find the texture uncomfortable underfoot. Difficult to clean due to the tight spaces between the stones. Next, slate tiles. Slate tiles are a durable and aesthetically pleasing option. They are made from natural slate, a type of metamorphic rock that is renowned for its durability and unique aesthetic. Formed under the Earth's surface over millions of years, slate is cut into flat pieces to create tiles that are rich in color and texture. In addition to their durability, slate tiles also have a natural resistance to water and stains. This makes them an ideal choice for wet areas such as the shower or floor tiles around the bathtub. However, while slate is less porous than other natural stone tiles, it still needs to be sealed to prevent water absorption and staining. Pros: highly durable and resistant to dents, scratches, and water. Low maintenance and easy to clean. The rough texture provides an anti-slip surface. Cons: more expensive compared to synthetic tiles. The rough surface may be uncomfortable to stand on for long periods. Next, cork tiles. Cork tiles are a sustainable and eco-friendly option. These bathroom tiles are made from the bark of the cork oak tree, which regrows every 3 years. This makes cork tiles a great choice for those looking to reduce their environmental impact. One of the key advantages of cork tiles is their natural warmth and comfort. Cork is a soft and flexible material, making it comfortable to walk on. This can be a significant advantage in the bathroom, where you may be standing barefoot. In addition, cork's natural insulating properties can help to keep your bathroom warm in the winter and cool in the summer. However, it's important to note that while cork is naturally water resistant, it is not waterproof. This means that it needs to be sealed to prevent water damage and to maintain its appearance. Pros: sustainable and eco-friendly, soft and comfortable underfoot, provides natural insulation. Cons: requires sealing to prevent water damage, can be easily scratched or dented, fades in sunlight. Next, travertine tiles. Travertine tile installed in a shower enclosure. Travertine tiles are composed of a type of limestone that is a byproduct of hot springs from all over the world. This natural process gives travertine its unique color variations and distinctive appearance, making each tile one of a kind. One of the key advantages of travertine tiles is their natural beauty. They come in a range of earthy tones, from soft beiges and creams to rich browns and golds. However, like most natural stone tiles, travertine is a porous material, which means it can absorb water if not properly sealed. Pros: adds a touch of classic beauty to your bathroom wall tile. Comes in a variety of earth tone colors. Durable and long-lasting. Cons: requires regular maintenance and sealing to prevent stains and damage. Can be slippery when polished. More expensive than other tile options. Next and last, vinyl tiles. Vinyl tiles are a versatile and affordable option for your bathroom. One of the key advantages of vinyl tiles is their versatility in design. They come in a variety of colors and patterns and can even mimic the look of more expensive tile materials. This means that you can achieve the look of these luxurious materials without the high cost, making vinyl tiles a cost-effective choice for your bathroom. Vinyl tile is widely used as bathroom floor tiles. They can be easily cut to fit any space and can be installed over existing flooring, making them a convenient choice for quick and easy bathroom renovations. Furthermore, their smooth and water-resistant surface makes them easy to clean, requiring only a regular sweep and mop to keep them looking their best. Despite their many benefits, it's important to note that vinyl tiles are not as durable as some other tile materials. They can be prone to scratches and dents and may not last as long as ceramic or stone tiles. Pros: affordable and easy to install. Water resistant and durable, great for floor tiles. Easy to clean and maintain. Cons: can be damaged by sharp objects. Lower quality vinyl can fade and discolor over time. Not as long lasting as other tile options. Choosing the right bathroom tiles for your shower floors or shower wall can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your bathroom. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of marble, the earthy charm of terracotta, or the modern sleekness of metal, there's a tile out there that's perfect for your Southampton home.